พื่อกล่าวเปิดการประชุมหัวหน้าตำรวจอาเซียนครั้งที่ 43 ครับ May I now invite His Excellency Anutin Charnvirakul, Prime Minister of the Kingdom of Thailand, to officially open the 43rd ASEAN Conference.
Police General distinguished representatives from ASEAN member states, my dear colleagues and friends, ladies and gentlemen, good morning, and on behalf of the people of Thailand, it is my great pleasure to welcome you to the 43rd ASEAN Conference today. Your presence here reflects our shared commitment to promoting peace, stability, and cooperation across ASEAN region. Colleagues, first and foremost, allow me to extend our heartfelt congratulations to the Timor-Leste on its historic accession as the newest ASEAN member state, which was officially welcomed at the ASEAN Summit last week. We are meeting at a crucial moment. Transnational crime has grown in both complexity and impact. Crimes such as drug trafficking, human trafficking, cybercrime, transnational fraud, and online scams not only undermine social stability, but also severely damage national economies. They erode investor confidence and harm legitimate businesses. The bad news is that ASEAN has become a focal point for many of these crimes, with some of them rooted in our own region. The good news is that we are aware of the problem. We acknowledge the challenge, and we are determined to do whatever it takes to make our home safe again. Moreover, the global community is joining forces with us. Last month, my colleague, the Minister of Digital Economy and Society, signed the United Nations Convention Against Cybercrime alongside 67 other nations. At another significant forum, the Interparliamentary Union held a global debate on online scams and cybercrime, with Thailand taking the lead in proposing the issue as an urgent priority. We are determined not just to participate, but to lead. A serious and coordinated crackdown on transnational crime is essential. The ASEAN Leaders Summit that I attended last week underscored the critical importance of strengthening regional security cooperation, including enhanced intelligence sharing, joint training, and improved coordination mechanisms to encounter the evolving threats of transnational crime. Thailand is fully committed to this shared spirit and vision. The suppression of transnational crime has been declared a national agenda. We firmly believe that a holistic and comprehensive approach is key to addressing these complex challenges. This conference is therefore a perfect platform for us to share best practices and jointly develop concrete frameworks of cooperation to strengthen our collective ability to combat transnational crime in all dimensions. I encourage all of you to be innovative and bring forward fresh ideas that can set a strong, forward-looking strategic direction for our collaboration. for our collaborative efforts toward our common goal, the security and prosperity of the ASEAN region and the wider global community. These are in our hands. Lastly, let me express my sincere appreciation for your tireless dedication and hard work, and may this conference yield tangible and fruitful outcomes. Thank you very much.